Did you know these facts on anime? Number 10. It has a vast range of subgenres. Anime encompasses an extensive array of subgenres, catering to niche interests and tastes. From mecha, giant robots, to shoujo, targeted at young girls, isekai, transported to another world, to sports anime, there is a subgenre for nearly every interest, ensuring there is something for everyone to enjoy. Number 9. It tackles social issues. Anime often serves as a medium to address social issues prevalent in Japanese society and the world at large. Themes of friendship, love, identity, discrimination, and environmental concerns are frequently explored in anime, encouraging viewers to reflect on these subjects and fostering discussions on important topics. Number 8. It embraces different formats. Anime is not limited to television series and films. It extends to various formats, including OVA, original video animation, which are direct-to-video releases, as well as web series and short films. Anime has also found success in adapting light novels, manga, and video games into animated form, showcasing its versatility and adaptability. Number 7. It has influenced Western media. Anime has had a significant impact on Western media and entertainment. Western animated series and films have drawn inspiration from anime's storytelling techniques, visual aesthetics, and character development. Shows like Avatar, The Last Airbender, and Steven Universe exhibit the influence of anime in their narrative structures and animation styles. Number 6. It embraces fan culture. Anime has a thriving fan culture, with passionate enthusiasts organizing conventions, cosplay events, and online communities to celebrate their favorite series and characters. Fans often engage in discussions, create fan art, and even participate in fan fiction, showcasing their deep appreciation and love for the medium. Number 5. It has dedicated voice actors. In the world of anime, voice acting holds great significance. Many renowned voice actors, known as seiyuu, have gained celebrity status in Japan. These talented individuals lend their voices to bring characters to life, often becoming synonymous with the iconic roles they portray. Number 4. It explores mature themes. Anime is not just for kids. Many anime series and films tackle mature themes, complex narratives, and thought-provoking subjects. From exploring societal issues to addressing psychological dilemmas, anime often delves into deeper aspects of human experiences, making it suitable for audiences of all ages. Number 3. It embraces various art styles. Anime is known for its diverse and visually appealing art styles. While the large-eyed characters are prevalent, there are countless variations in character designs, ranging from realistic to exaggerated and even abstract. Different anime series and films often have their own unique artistic signatures, making the medium visually captivating and creatively rich. Number 2. It has a long history. While anime gained significant international attention in recent decades, its roots can be traced back to early 20th century Japan. The first anime film, Momotaro's Divine Sea Warriors, was released in 1945 during World War II. Anime has continued to evolve and flourish ever since. Number 1. Anime is not a genre. Contrary to popular belief, anime is not a genre in itself. It is a medium of storytelling that encompasses a wide range of genres, including action, romance, comedy, fantasy, sci-fi, horror, and more. Just like movies or books, anime can cover diverse themes and appeal to different audiences.